Alright everyone, let's take a look at solving this problem. Longest substring without repeating characters. So, trying to find maximum length of a substring with unique characters, and then just return that value. And yeah, that's it. So for this example one, here's one valid substring. Here's another valid substring. Maximum substring. Yep, this is another one. And yeah, so if you are able to find, calculate any of these substring as your maximum length result, you're good to go. And yeah, so this right here wouldn't be a substring because, well, there's two characters, two repeating characters. So your substring needs to have unique characters. Okay, and that's it. So one way of solving this problem is to use a sliding window, and even within sliding windows, there's a couple ways of solving it. One way is to just keep track of the last occurring index of the character. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that first. So the intuition is, you create a hash map to keep track of all the indices as you traverse through the string. Okay. So A will be index of 0, B index of 1, C index of 2, and then essentially as you iterate, you also check if there is an existing occurrence of a key, such a key. So for this case, yes, right? It is at index 0. And since it already occurred, you want to shift the window, the left hand side of the window to the right. So it becomes like this. Then you iterate again, right? Shift it to the right again, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right. Character index map. Index map. Characters array. Okay, so let's iterate through this. Okay, so of course we want to keep track of the left hand side pointer to the sliding window, and we are going to expand with this loop right here, this for loop. Okay, so we want to check if there is an existing index. What is that? Existing index. If there is, then we want to update it. +1. And one more thing that we want to check is whether the existing index is basically within the sliding window, right? So I'm gonna share this and then equal to inside. Afterward, we want to set the value to the current index, and we also want to keep track of the max length. And length would be, left side plus 1, and we can return max length. Okay. Yeah, so there you have it. There's also another way of solving this, I think. I think it should work. Just like thinking about it. It's still floating window, but instead of the characters, you just keep track of the count. So yeah, I mean, we can give this a try, right? Why not? I just have a feeling this should work. Okay. While I'll let count goes to characters. I mean, the idea is just to keep count of it, and if it hits 0, we remove it from our the key value pair from our map, and yeah, we just also just take note of the length of it. Let me think about it. Yeah, so still sliding window, right? Still sliding window. So if we encounter something that is already inside a window, like here, right? We take a look at the left-hand side pointer. We just remove the item from there. So I mean, let's code out the logic as well. Okay. Character. So need the character at here. So SRA here. Alright. Just like this. And now we move here. Now we do this. And of course we gotta increment it. So now we're like this. Okay. Then our right hand side will increment this, and then this will repeat again. So we just gotta keep track of the max length as well here. Goes to the maximum between the max length, the right hand side and the left hand side, plus 1. Let's give this a run. Okay, I'll put this 8, which is not right. Okay, so go for this example right here. There's count. Oh, actually, we never increment the count. That's problematic. Then default to 0. It's 1. Okay. I'm just thinking whether we should add it before or after. Let's see this. Add it here. Okay. Then we go for the logic. Okay. Print. Save. Oops. It's a crash. Did it crash there? New. Let's go to 0. Right, we want to remove it. Here. Okay. Yeah, so apparently this, if you don't set it, I mean if it hits 0, and if you like go below it, it just crash. Because of this right here, right? Like it wouldn't know. It just wouldn't know to. Yeah, it's not go below index of 0 because I mean if you do that, then you basically cannot take the index within here. Yeah, just an invalid result. Okay, let's give this a run. And yeah, so this is also another way of solving it. It's a bit more cumbersome because of the need to handle this right here. Whereas the other one is just making sure keep track of the sliding window. But yeah, I mean, so yeah, this is also another way of solving the problem as well. Yep. Okay, there you have it.